Businesses across the U.S. are now gearing up for what will likely be the largest vaccine mandate the country has seen so far. Under the president's plan, vaccines are required for all federal employees and federal contractors. The Labor Department drafting a rule requiring private companies with 100 or more employees to vaccinate their workforce or test them weekly. And this news will bring changes locally as well. Adam Duxter explains how business leaders in our area are reacting tonight. Adam.
That's right. Business leaders tell us more than 150,000 people in Dane County, nearly a quarter of the population as a whole, fall under these guidelines. When it comes to the impact this will have on the average employee, that's yet to be seen.
This is not about freedom or personal choice. It's about protecting yourself and those around you.
President Biden's announcement the federal government would be taking a major step forward in mandating the vaccine for America's workers has stirred emotions in plenty of people. But for business leaders like Zach Brandon, the idea of the government dictating what a business can do is nothing new.
Businesses spend an inordinate amount of time navigating the complexities of government regulation. It would make you and your viewers shudder if you knew the amount of regulation that businesses have to deal with.
Brandon serves as the president of Madison's Chamber of Commerce and says our largest local employers, like Epic or the hospitals, have had mandates like this in place for a while. But as for how it could impact other businesses, it's too soon to tell.
Even we're saying as an organization, we can't say we're for this or against this until we actually see the rule.
Today, Wisconsin's Chamber of Commerce says an order like this puts an unfair burden on businesses. And Brandon says, well, it will have an impact.
Every employer that has more than 100 employees is going to have to track this in some fashion.
Dane County already being amongst the nation's leaders in vaccine rates means the impacts won't be as big as they could be in other states.
I just don't think the president and the Department of Labor had Dane County in mind when they created this rule.
Virtually every business we talked to today that falls into this category says it's too early to know how it's going to impact them, and it will depend on when OSHA is actually able to craft the guidelines, which at this point could take an undeterminable amount of time.